Hello everyone, I am Cecile and I work at Agicap. Agicap is the software that allows you to run your business through cash. In this episode, we will talk about tracking your cash flow. I guess that you already check your bank accounts regularly to see what you are up to. But the idea of this training is to allow you to formalize this follow-up and to help you better plan future events. In this video, we will talk about benefits of regular monitoring, the method for monitoring your cash flow on a daily basis in Excel, and tips and best practices for monitoring your cash flow. If you're a finance manager or business executive, you probably have cash management questions that keep coming up. What is the current level of cash? How will it evolve in next month? What will happen if this customer pays late? Can I invest? You need to be able to answer from them weekly, if not daily, to make the best management decisions for your business. Implementing cash monitoring means better understanding the challenge of your business to manage both good times and when business is down. Beware of things that you don't have on your radar and that can put you in the red. Late customer payments, VAT, loan repayment, for instance. What you need is a complete view of your cash inflows and outflows to ensure control of your business. To get a good view of your cash flow, you can start by setting up a simple Excel spreadsheet. To complete the table, nothing very complicated. First, fill in your available cash at the start of the first month. Then identify the receipts and disbursements of the month invoices, expenses, reports, taxes, rent, subsidies. Everything must be categorized in a clear and legible way. Note that everything includes VAT. Then, enter the information in the table, paying attention to the date of the payments. Double-check that all cash flows are linked to the relevant month. Finally, the tool will automatically calculate the month-end cash flow. All you have to do is draw the necessary conclusions for the proper functioning of your business. Information on the amount of your invoices as well as the effective payment dates allows you to keep your cash flow up to date and anticipate a possible shortage of cash in the short term. If you would like to access a free cash flow plan, simply click on the link in the description of this video. Since cash is king for companies, cash management must be as rigorous as possible. Analyzing your cash flow once at the beginning of the month and only coming back to it 30 days later is not enough. Get into the habit of tracking your cash flow on a day-to-day basis. Receipts and disbursements need to be closely monitored. By updating your Excel file regularly, you anchor the habit. It does not take you too long and you are sure that you can react quickly in case of problems. When you enter a customer invoice, be careful to put the date of payment and not the date of signature of the contract. This is a common error that has a real impact on monthly cash flow estimates. If there's a cash hole in your hands, you can defer paying a supplier invoice. To go further than a day-to-day view of your cash flow and to improve your management, it is essential to set up a cash flow forecast. With a cash budget established over several months, you can project yourself into the future and make the best decisions for your business. You can also compare the forecast with the actual and have a view of your history to understand the differences and refine your forecasts. Remember, cash is king. Treat these as a background task as you go iteratively, and as you see changes, your predictions will become more and more accurate. You now have a few keys to setting up a regular formalized cash flow monitoring, if you haven't already done so, of course. If you like this video, you can test Agicap or ask for a demonstration to our services and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for your attention and see you soon for more.